Hi, so I'm Louis Spink. I've been with Welsh Water for about 4 years now, and I'm a water efficiency advisor. So we've come out to a customer's property just so I can see if I can fit some products for them in terms of tap aerators, shower heads, hose guns, all in ways to help them save a bit of water and a bit of money. These products are a lot better than what they'd have at the moment with their standard ones, as their standard ones just use 100% water going through their meter, whereas our products, they'll use air and water. So it's about 50-50 of each. So then they won't be having as much water going through their meter. So in theory, their cost of the bills will go down for them.
We've had Welsh Water come and do a water health check really on the house. All the toilets, the showers and the taps, including the outside taps, to see how efficient we're being with using water, whether there's any savings we can make, whether there's any devices that could be fitted to reduce the amount of water we use. I'd wholly recommend the service to anybody. It's free, and any advice you can have in this day and age to reduce costs and save water is well worthwhile.